Are you looking forward to organize some parties? Then I got you. So this recipe was so delicious and easy to prepare during Xmas. This is one of the things that we prepared. Okay, you will love it, trust me. So I have some beef here. I have washed it very well, and I'm just going to use my paper towel to drain some water from it so that it can become very dry. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena, and welcome to my kitchen. We do easy cooking recipes. If you're interested, please click on the red subscribe button and then follow or subscribe for more videos. It is free. If you're watching me from YouTube, don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications. And please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. So now this is how it looks. It is very dry, just like the way I want. I'll go ahead and add my pepper. That is chili powder, and I have the recipe here. Please check it out, you will love it. I have added that as well, and I'll go ahead and add my barbecue mix. So this is how it looks as well, and this, oh my goodness, added some taste to the meat. I'll go ahead and add my beef seasoning, mix it very well, and this is the game changer, soya spice. So this is what my northerner friend told me I should add to the meat. Okay, so I've added some oil, and during this time we had our doctor friend, which is my husband's classmate. He visited us, and he is also a northerner, and he used to sell this on the street. So he was telling me that I should prepare it this way. So I'm just trying to make his recipe, and trust me, everyone who ate this enjoyed it so well. Okay, yes, they asked for more, and the following week when my husband came home, I prepared again and he sent it to them. So now we kept that in our fridge overnight, and after the next day, this is where we are now. I am just making sure to set the fire, and then we can go ahead to prepare our kebab. The smell alone, oh my goodness, was so good. So do not forget to add some salt to the meat as well, okay, so that it can taste so good. But be very mindful, because I have some salt in my soya spice. Now I have finished setting the fire, and this is how it looks. I will just open it up and then we continue. After this, I have my rack ready. I have smeared some oil on it. I will just put it on the fire, and then we spread the meat on it. But we have to arrange that on the kebab sticks. Okay, so I soaked my kebab sticks in the water for some few hours, and this is how it looks. So I am just going to arrange it. When you do that, it helps it not to burn, the sticks. Okay, so we are just going to pick it one by one and then arrange it. So the next day, this is how it looks, and just look at that, so flavorful, and it was very looking delicious. Okay. So this is how we are going to arrange it. Okay, if you want to add some bell peppers, that is your food, you just do it. Okay, but we don't want it that way. We just want to prepare it just like how they prepare it on the street, and also how he taught me. So I'm just going to arrange it on the fire, since the rack is very hot, and this is the quantity we got. Okay, yeah, so just put it on fire and we are good to go. I was trying to get some thumbnail. Forget about me, okay, don't mind me. So just put it that you make sure the fire is not too much and it is not too low as well. Okay. That is just by the way. So I'm just going to smear some oil on it, and then we are good to go. Okay, yeah, just look at that. I just want that smoke, that abochi smoke, so that you can get that perfect taste. And please forget about my shoe, okay? I wanted to go for jogging, and these people told me that, hey, we want to choose some meat, my friend. You're not going for jogging today, so you have to just prepare our meat for us. And I decided to prepare it Benedict. So now I decided to just add some corn to it, and I think they really enjoyed that as well. You make sure you check on the meat so that it does not burn. Okay, so after some few minutes, like 40 minutes or 30 minutes, this is how it looks. I've sprinkled some soya spice on it, and I will put it on the fire again for it to get that smoky flavor. And after some few minutes, like 3 minutes, it is ready. Just look at that, so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. I love you. This was spicy.